Today I'm going to show you how to use the to-do list on Google Classroom. If you're already logged into Google Classroom, I see my classes, I can go up to the upper left-hand corner. The three bars are the Classroom main menu. If I click on this, it pulls up the teaching to-do list and it shows all my classes. If I was a student and had a PD classroom or something at my school, then I would have student and a to-do list as well for being a student. But as I just have classes of my own here, I'm going to click on the to-do list. It says that this integer worksheet needs to be reviewed, so I can click on that. I can come in here and review it. That looks good. So I will quickly give them 10 points. Out of 10. And I can return it to my student. Then if I go back to my to-do list, since I've already returned it, I have nothing else to grade. All my students are done. I can click on the three dots and mark as reviewed. It disappears off my to review list, and over here in reviewed, I have both of the assignments that I have already marked as reviewed. If you go over here again, let's say a new student joined or I accidentally marked it as reviewed, I can send it back to mark as not reviewed, and it will be back on my to review page.